Snap throw, and they got him!
How about that?
Great throw by Gomes. Terrific tag by Reynolds, and De Aza caught napping.
Well, there was nobody in that left-handed batter's box, and it was a quick snap throw by Gomes. And from it was tough to tell where we're sitting, like he might have gotten back, but he did not. Reynolds sitting right there, turns, there's the tag, and you see the left arm. He couldn't get the right hand in. What a snap throw by Gomes. He's a